Welcome to this masterclass. Today, we're going to fundamentally transform how you approach kitchen maintenance, taking it from a reactive, exhausting chore and elevating it into a highly structured environmental health and safety system. If you're looking to achieve professional-grade hygiene, dramatically improve your equipment's longevity, and eliminate those unseen, lingering risks, well, you are exactly in the right place. Let's get started. Here is our curriculum for today. We'll be progressing systematically through 6 core modules: the professional cleaning mindset, chemistry and tool selection, the ceiling to floor workflow, equipment deep clean strategy, mastering stainless steel care, and finally, preventative maintenance and inspections.
Module 1, the professional cleaning mindset.
Before we even think about picking up a tool, we have to completely shift our perspective to recognize hazards we usually can't even see. Consider this number, 2,133. That is the average number of food safety incidents recorded annually in the UK in recent years. This statistic highlights a pretty harsh reality. Basic surface-level wiping leaves behind microscopic bacteria and highly combustible grease. What looks perfectly clean to the naked eye is often harboring severe, invisible threats.
When we break down the exact risks in an unsanitized kitchen, it's honestly a bit alarming. We aren't just cleaning for aesthetics here. We are actively mitigating massive operational hazards. We're talking about everything from cross-contamination and chemical hazards to dangerous physical slip and falls, and of course, terrifying grease fires. This is exactly why we have to target those dark, inaccessible areas that amateurs completely ignore. So the crucial takeaway here is that professionals simply do not wait for extreme buildup. The amateur mindset relies on reactive, brute force scrubbing, basically just treating the symptoms. But the professional mindset, it relies on organized, preventative systems that attack the root causes. We aren't just wiping surfaces, we are practicing full environmental restoration.
Module 2, chemistry and tool selection.
To actually achieve professional results, we need to understand the advanced chemistry behind safe, effective grease removal. Aqueous degreasing is the absolute gold standard in the industry. Elite technicians use specialized water-based solutions packed with highly effective surfactants and emulsifiers. This effectively dissolves heavy baked-on kitchen soil and oils into manageable particles, and it does it without relying on excessively harsh caustics that can permanently ruin your very expensive equipment. And there is a strict foundational chemical formula you absolutely must master here. First is dwell time. You have to give the chemical time to sit and physically break the molecular bonds of the grease. Second is agitation, where you gently loosen the soil. And finally, removal, systematically wiping away that broken down residue. You simply cannot rush the chemistry.
Module 3, the ceiling to floor workflow.
This is the physical spatial strategy that instantly separates elite cleaning technicians from everyone else. There is a foundational rule of physics we have to respect. Gravity pulls dust, debris, and chemical drips straight downward. That means you must always, without fail, clean from the highest point in the room. Think about it. If you meticulously scrub your counters first, and then decide to dust the ceiling vents, you've just instantly recontaminated your pristine surfaces.
Let's look at a practical application of this with high-level fixtures. Here's the exact step-by-step professional method for restoring overhead extractor filters, which, by the way, are a severe fire hazard if neglected. First, submerge the metal filters in boiling water. Next, add dish soap and bicarbonate of soda. Let them soak for at least 10 minutes to guarantee that vital dwell time we just talked about. And finally, give them a thorough scrub and rinse.
Module 4, Equipment Deep Clean Strategy. Deep cleaning vital equipment, like ovens and commercial gas stoves, requires strict, non-negotiable protocols. You have to follow the professional 10-step formula. Listen to this sequence carefully. Inspect, declutter, dust, degrease, clean, rinse, sanitize, dry, inspect again, and finally, maintain. Skipping even one single step, like forgetting to rinse away a chemical residue or leaving a surface damp, literally invites cross-contamination and undoes all your hard work. You must respect the sequence. Module 5, Mastering Stainless Steel Care. We have to address the complex reality of maintaining stainless steel, which is truly the durable backbone of any commercial kitchen. It's vital to understand just how dangerous internet cleaning hacks can be. Popular amateur advice, like using unbuffered raw vinegar or highly alkaline baking soda, can actually rapidly dissolve the metal's passive chromium oxide layer, causing irreversible localized pitting.
True professional eco-cleaning relies on the scientific standard, chelating acids, which essentially bind to and lift away metals and minerals trapped in the grime, buffered strictly between a pH of 3.8 and 5.2 to ensure EPA safer choice compliance. To protect your expensive investments from stress corrosion cracking, you should screen your cleaning agents against these 5 major red flags. Avoid products relying on vinegar-based formulas, highly alkaline sodium bicarbonate, unspecified plant-derived surfactants, essential oils lacking clear antimicrobial disclosure, and crucially, any lack of EPA or ASTM certification. You want verified standards so you aren't slowly, accidentally destroying your metal surfaces.
Module 6, Preventative Maintenance and Inspections.
Now let's look at how we actually sustain these elite standards long-term. By strictly following an operational maintenance schedule, you completely prevent the massive accumulation of hardened grime that forces those exhausting, tear-down deep cleans in the first place. Daily wiping of spills, weekly degreasing of interiors, monthly checking of seals and fans, and quarterly deep cleaning of filters and coils. This is the predictable rhythm of professional excellence. All of this builds into a powerful, overarching culture, specifically the 5S safety methodology: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Implementing this exact framework ensures your kitchen remains consistently safe, perfectly organized, and entirely clutter-free. It beautifully shifts the burden away from one massive, dreaded cleaning event and turns it into a manageable, continuous daily habit. That brings us to the guiding philosophy of elite facility managers worldwide. What gets inspected gets improved. Problems rarely just appear overnight. By conducting regular, highly structured inspections, you transform routine cleaning into a professional, risk-reducing management system. So, I want to leave you with a final provocative thought to really consider today. What is the true cost of an unsanitized kitchen to your health, your peace of mind, and the efficiency of your daily operations? Do not wait for the grease and the risks to silently build up around you. Take these elite standards, implement them today, and completely transform your environment. Thank you for joining this masterclass.